Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Sbo resolves to get the monk off his back once and for all. He goes to Konzi and break the door and enter to put the poison on the alcohol that Konzi drinks. And he thinks that he will finish Konzi with poison. While Hlezipi and Lily suspicions arise by Gwanda and Nonka behavior. After Lily got that Gwanda and Nonka are selling drugs, and Gwanda does not buy the story of Hlezipi when Hlezipi goes to the police station. Mbata and Pastor Kwala are facing off on the radio. While Mbata is agree with the topic that people must drink petrol and eat grass, he confessed that the god was changing the water to the wine and give people to drink. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.